Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your math teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to start your new exercise, that is exercise number 12.3. So, firstly, student, you are seeing on the board, first question is written of this exercise. So, first question is saying, student, if m is equal to 2, m is a variable, and if m is equal to 2, find the value of m minus 2. m minus 2 is an expression. And fifth part is 5m upon 2 minus 4. Student, there are many parts are given of this question. I am taking only two important part. So, if you will able to understand these two parts, then you can solve easily all remaining parts of this question. So, student, I am going to solve this question. M we have m minus 2 and on putting m is equal to 2, m is equal to 2, m is equal to 2, we get m minus 2. Student, this is expression and question is saying the find the value. What is the value of m minus 2? m minus 2 का value क्या होगा if m is equal to 2? If and you can write m is equal to 2 given. So student, what will be the value of m minus 2 if m is equal to 2? Means we need to put the value of m in this expression. So I am going to put in, on putting m is equal to 2, we get to m minus 2, then we put to on the place of m 2 minus 2 is equal to 0. This is my answer. This is my answer. m minus 2 का वैल्यू क्या होगा? That is 0. The value of m minus 2 is 0. As same student, we put 5m upon 2 minus 4 on putting m is equal to 2, we get, जब आप 2 रखेंगे तो क्या मिलेगा आपको? 5m upon 2 minus 4, put the value of m in this expression 5. Student, there is no sign between 5 and m. So, you will understand about the multiplication sign into 5 into 2 upon 2 minus 4. That is 5 to the 10 upon 2 minus 4. 2 5 the 10. That is 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. This is my answer. So student, the value of 5m upon 2 minus 4 is 1. This is my answer. So student, this question is very easy. Only you need to put the value of the given variable in the expression. So student, if you are able to understand the question number first, it means you can solve question number second, third, 4 and 5th also. Question number second, third, 4 and 5th are same. The question number first you will solve, that is your homework student. Means question second, third, 4 and 5th is your homework. ये आपका होमवर्क है, आप करेंगे इसको एज सेम. सिर्फ आपको वेरिएबल का वैल्यू पुट करना है. वेरिएबल का वैल्यू जो दिया है उसको पुट करना है. कहां पर करना है? एक्सप्रेशन में. और उस एक्सप्रेशन का वैल्यू आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो ओनली नीड टू कैलकुलेट स्टूडेंट. सो कम टू द क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 स्टूडेंट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 is also very easy, but I am going to tell you. Question number 6, student, simplify the expressions. Simplify the expressions and find the value if x is equal to equal to 2. I am taking only one part, student, of this question, and I am taking the fourth part of this question. For 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11 plus 3x plus 11. Student, question is saying simplify the expression. Means firstly we need to simplify the given expression. पहले तो जो दिया हुआ expression है उसको हमें सरल करना है. How can we simplify an expression? By taking the like term together. So after this, and find the value of x. After this, after simplification, find the value of x. Find the value of the expression if x is equal to 2. If x is equal to 2. So, student, I am going to solve this question. Firstly, we simplify it, but given x is equal to 2. This is given, but firstly we need to simplify this expression, student. For 2x minus 1 plus 3x plus 11. So, what will you do, student? 4 is written outside of the bracket and there is no sign between bracket and 4. So, you will understand about the multiply. So, for removing the bracket, we have to multiply by 4 in the bracket. So 4 2 ja, student, 4 2 ja 8x, and 4 when you multiply by 4 and minus 1 you will get minus 4, 4 1 ja 4 plus 3x plus 11. Now solve it, student. Take the like term together, 8x and 3x. 8x and 3x we can add, both are positive, so that is 11x, and this is constant, minus 4 and plus 11. One is negative and other is positive, so always we subtract. 11 minus 4, 11 minus 4 is equal to, student, 7, but which sign we use? Positive, because 11 is greater than minus 4. So student, now I have simplify of this expression. अब इसको हम simplify कर चुके हैं. Now if x is equal to 2, then find the value after solving this expression. So on putting x is equal to 2 in 11x plus 7, we get 11 into x. On the place of x we can put 2 plus 7. 11 2 ja 22 plus 7, that is 29. It's my answer. So student, this is very easy question. As same you will solve the remaining part of this question. सबको आपको सिंप्लीफाई करना है. सिंप्लीफाई कैसे करना है? If You need to add or you need to subtract, then you will add and subtract in the expression and find the result, and then in the result you will put the given value of the variable. So I hope student you have understood this question very well. So come to the next question student, that is the question number 7. Question number 7 student, as same you will solve the question number 6. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 की तरह इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. एज सेम स्टूडेंट, सिंप्लीफाई द एक्सप्रेशन एंड फाइंड दियर वैल्यूज. सबसे पहले एक्सप्रेशन को सिंप्लीफाई करना है. आफ्टर दिस आपको उस एक्सप्रेशन का जो लास्ट में मिलेगा उसका आपको वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करना है. बट विच वेरिएबल इज यूज्ड इन द एक्सप्रेशन, द वैल्यू ऑफ दैट वेरिएबल्स is given in the question. By the help of that you can find the value of the expression. So student, you will do question number 7 yourself and come to the question number 8. If z is equal to 10, find the value of z square minus 3 into z minus 10. As same student, question number 6, 7, 8 all are same. So question number 7 and 8 is your homework. I am taking the question number 9 student of this exercise. Question number 9. Question number 9 is saying student, what should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5 when x is equal to 0. When x is equal to 0. Student, see this question. What should be the value of a? Means we need to find out the value of a variable which are using in the expression. If the value of 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5 when x is equal to 2, x is equal to 0, sorry student. So student, I am going to solve this question. See it. Given 2x square plus x minus a is equal to 5. I am not writing myself anything student. Which information is given in your question? I am writing that 2x square plus x minus a equal to 5 and x is equal to student 0. X is equal to 0. On putting x is equal to 0, we get 2 into x 0 into 0. X square means x into x. 2 times we multiply x means 2 times we will write 0 also. 0 into 0 plus on the place of x 0 minus a is equal to 5. So student, 2 into 0 that is 0 plus 0 minus a it means minus a is equal to 5. Means In easy way you can say minus a is equal to 5. But student, question is asking you the value of a, not minus a. You are finding the value of minus a. Minus a is equal to 5 है, not a is equal to 5. So, but question is asking me find the value of a. So student, how can we find out the value of a? This is the value of minus a. It means if we make the positive sign of the a, we will able to get the value of a. So how can we make the positive the sign of a? If we multiply by the negative to the both side of the equation. So student, if you multiply by negative sign to the left side, then minus into minus you will get the positive, and when you multiply by the minus sign to the right side you will get the minus 5. It means the value of a is equal to minus 5. Value of a is equal to minus 5. I hope student you have understood this question very well also. So student, question number 10, as same, simplify the expression and find the value of a is equal to 5 and b is equal to minus 3. Expression is given. So student, firstly simplify, you will simplify the expression. पहले आप करेंगे simplify. After this put the value of a and b in the expression and you will get the value of the expression at the last. So I hope student you have understood. This exercise was very easy student. So I have not taken more time for this exercise and you will do yourself this exercise, and some important question I have solved, I have told you. So student, in my next video I will start your new chapter, power and exponent. That is very most important chapter student. So thank you student, thank you very much.